वापस वापस
हाँ.
वापस अरे मैं हे करने वाला था.
Hi guys, this is Ananya.
Hey, I'm Aman.
And both of us are from VIT Trends. Today we are here with a new video. Hey guys, I am Ananya and this is Aman and we are from VIT Trends. Wondering about how to register for events? Well, that's why we are here today to help you out with the whole process. Let's first log into the website.
So guys, let's log into. Let's go to the website of Rivera.com. Wait. Okay. My bad. This is the website for Gravitas.
Yes, Aman. You know what? Let's just leave it. I'll do it.
Fine. I'll do it myself.
Well, once you open the website, this is the first page that you see. On the navigation bar, you can find Home, Events, VIT Hack, Team, and more. Every time you click on one of these options, you will find all the information about it. Below which you find the dates of the event. That is a 4-day vast event in VIT, which is called the Gravitas from 1st to 4th October. As we scroll down, you will find some information and history about the foundation of VIT. Well, take your time and read something about it because it's good to know about your college. As you scroll below, you will find all the information about the foundation of Gravitas and how it was started. It's said that Gravitas is a techno management extravaganza organized by VIT, and trust me, it's a lot of fun. As you go below in the website, further below in the website, you will find who the sponsors of Gravitas are, as well as the team of Gravitas. Well, you might wonder that how do we increase our reach in Gravitas? Well, official merchandise is out. You guys can buy the official merchandise on this website itself with just one click at only 399 rupees. Feel free to buy whatever you like.
Wow, man, these merchandise look so cool. Also, don't forget to visit Humor Baba for different kinds of digital printed T-shirts and other merchandise. So let's get in the process of how do you register for an event in Gravitas. Select the favorite category of yours in which you are interested and just click on it. There are different categories available like workshop, technical and non-technical events. So let's get into the technical events. As you can see, the first event is Crackjack 2.0. So the process for registering in all the categories of events is similar. So I'll be just explaining you any one of the events. To know more about the event, you can read the short description about the event and see the date of the event in the tab below. To contact the event coordinator, you can mail him or her on the email ID given with the event's name. To register for the event, just click on the register button and it will redirect you to a modal on the same website. Read more about the event, about the cash price and the timings of the event. Click on register so that you'll be redirected on the registration portal of Gravitas.
So guys, once you're redirected to the Gravitas login portal, you'll see various login fields on your screen. But before logging in to the portal, you have to register yourself as a user for Gravitas. And to do that, you have to click on VITNs button if you're a VITN and non-VITNs button if you're a student or a person outside VIT. So let's go with VITNs because I'm a student from VIT. Click on the students field in the faculty and student option. Enter your details in the form respectively. Make sure that you use a unique mobile number, one that has not been used previously for logging in. And enter your VIT email ID if you're a VITN and non-VIT email ID if you're not a VITN. In the place of registration number, you have to add the unique ID given by your college to yourself. Select a strong password so that your account cannot be mishandled by someone. Once you're done filling the form, you can click on the register button to register. You'll have the confirm screen visible to you. Click on confirm and register. If you have registered with a similar mobile number, then the screen will show that please use a different mobile number because it has already been registered. So once you have registered with a unique mobile number and a unique email ID, you can go back to the login screen and enter your credentials here in order to log in. Once you have entered your credentials, please click on the login button so that you log into the portal.
So guys, once you log into Gravitas website successfully, on the left hand side, you will see column which has events registration, payment as well as print. So in case you're interested in technical events, you can click on technical events under the events registration. Once the site opens, you can see there are n number of activities and events you can register for. So go through them, search, and whatever you're interested, just click the register button under the action column. Once you do that, there'll be a green. Once you click on the register button, you will see a green text which says success, event added successfully. That means that you've successfully registered for the event. But if it's a paid event, you have to make sure that you go under the payment section on the left side and go under view pending payments. After which you'll find a box wherein you have to go under proceed for payment so that you can pay for the event you have registered. Once you click on that, you will be directed to the payments portal wherein you can fill in the details and pay.
In order to pay, you can select different payment methods like net banking, credit card, debit card, and mobile wallet. Once you have successfully processed the payment, your event will be listed under view items registered in the payment section, and the payment status will be changed to registered and paid. In order to view the payment history, you can go to the view payment history column in the payment section. Once your event is completed, you can find the certificates provided by the event in the print section under the participant certificates tab. You can download the participant certificates in PDF format as well as you can print it directly from the website. So we request you to go through all the various options present on this website and find the suitable and the event you're registered for in this portal.
Well, thank God, Aman. This time you didn't screw up while explaining. Well guys, I hope the whole process is very smooth for you now and you've understood everything that we tried to tell you in the video. Even though if you have few doubts and want to comment, just put it up in the comment section below and we will address your queries at the fastest rate possible. I request you all to go and scram through the website and look into all the events and see what your interests are and register accordingly. Also, share this video with as many friends as you can so that they are benefited in the same way as you were benefited.
So guys, we request you to please follow us on various social media handles like Instagram, Facebook, and also LinkedIn. The links in the description below, and please do share, like and subscribe the video, and don't forget to click the bell icon on the subscribe option. Thank you. See you in the next video.
Thank you.